Hello, in this video we show the location of the fuse for the steering column adjustment on the BMW E60. This location of the fuse is for cars up to the year 2005. Before I show you the location of the fuses, first I'll show you the location of all the main fuse boxes on this BMW E60. There is one fuse box here in the engine bay area. It's located just underneath the cabin filter. You need to remove the cabin filter, you need to remove this plastic cover as well, and then you need to remove the fuse box cover, which is held by those bolts. This is the engine bay 1 fuse box. Next I'll show you the location of the fuse box in the fascia. This is the fascia fuse box, just in the glove box. You need to pull down the glove box. There's those two knobs that you need to turn, and that's the glove box fuse box right there. There's another main fuse box for this car, and it's located in the load area. You need to remove this panel, and that's the fuse box right there. That's the load area fuse box. In the description of the video I have links to tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. Just check out the description of the video. Next I'll show you a diagram of all the fuse boxes for this BMW E60 up to year 2005. That's the engine bay fuse box that I showed you, the fascia fuse box which is in the glove box, and the load area fuse box which is in the load area, and then load area 2 fuse box which is on the battery. Next we'll show you the location of the fuse for the steering column adjustment on this BMW E60. The fuse is located in the fascia fuse box, and the fuse there is F28. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.